Hello! Back in the chateau this morning. It is 18 degrees right now. And I rode in like 16 degree weather. And getting ready to put on my tires today. So just warming her up. And then I'm going to go outside and air up all the tires. And yeah. Welcome back to WoahItsChristian. Let's get today started. These have to be at 80, but I just need enough to make it to the tire shop. So I might just like put 65, 70. Alright. Got the new plates on. I aired up all the tires. I'm so cold I'm slurring my words. That's where the motorhome was. Oh, it's a mess in here. Oh, maybe I should move that tire before it falls. Alright, off to the tire shop. Alright. Oh, just one car behind me now. Doing about 40. The tires are so flat spotted. I got about 6 miles left. It wanted to take me on the highway. I was like, hell no. These tires are so dry rotted and flat spotted. It's not even funny. I'm just doing like below 40. Ugh. Wish me luck. Alright, just dropped off the keys. There she is. Welcome back to the chateau, everybody. Alright. New tires are on. Tires are aired up. Rear brakes are done. New battery terminals are on. Moving this thing out of storage today. Gotta bring it home and load her up. Let's go get some gas. And we'll head home. Yep. Alright, a lot of you... Oh my god. Just like in the movie, look. No way, dude. Oh my god. Just like in the movie. Are you kidding me? I'm not even making this up right now. I swear. Oh, there we go.
Make it so, number one.
Put some WD-40 in that. Alright. A lot of you wanted to see me drive the chateau, so I'll show you how easy it is and fun this thing is. Theo, Millennium Falcon, the Falcon, I'll figure it out. Alright, let's go home. Gas first. Alright. Emergency brake off. Everything's back. I'll probably move that box. But, I'll show you right now. Check your mirrors. In an RV, your mirrors are your best friend. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. Make sure I don't run over my camera. Always be mindful for your mirrors. Oh, I almost hit the fifth wheel. Make sure I don't tail swing my camera. Alright. Woo, tight. Alright, we're out. I can go get my camera. I know, I almost ran you over. But how do you like my maneuvering skills? Alright, let's go get some gas. crank the tunes and head home, and I really gotta pee. Alright, put in your bets now. Let's see. It's completely empty. It's a 60-gallon tank, so I'm gonna top it off and see. Gas is almost $3, so let's see. Oh my god. I think it's a 60-gallon tank. Alright, ready to see the damage? So, I'm pretty sure I have a 50-gallon tank, not 60. 2 receipts, because they capped the pump off at 125, so. Alright, the first receipt was 41 gallons. Gas was $2.99, and it was 125. So that's for 41 gallons. Second receipt was 8 gallons. And this was $24. So it was like what, 140, 150, 160 fill up. 50-gallon tank. Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright, let's head home. Getting pushed all over the place. It is so windy, crosswinds everywhere. Got 13 miles left. Just gonna crank the tunes and push on forward. It's driving really well. Alright, seems good. Make sure my tires aren't hitting the curb. Nope, good. Yep. Alright, basically my plan today is just wipe everything down, de-winterize, and sanitize, and declutter everything in here. Get it ready for tomorrow. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Gonna open this low point valve right here. And that's the antifreeze. Oh, motorhome sitting like that. Dang. I'll just leave that open. Alright, let's go drain the water heater. So you gotta relieve the pressure. Oh, it stinks. Oh, it smells so bad. Like old fruit. Alright, I'm gonna get my tools to remove this guy. Empty out the tank. Don't try this at home, kids. Alright, hopefully you can see me. But I don't have a socket, so I'm just gonna use pliers. Very gently. This might be a while. And it's frozen. Pipes are frozen. That's not good. Okay. I will deal with this later. Damn. Alright, went to drain the water heater, and it is frozen solid. I took out the drain plug, and a huge block of ice is just sitting right there. But when I went to relieve the pressure, antifreeze came out, so I wonder if that it's just the bottom of the tank that it was pushing all the water out. So maybe they... Hopefully it's not too serious, and when it warms up, it will be okay. So I might have just to de-winterize. I cannot speak this morning when I get to the park, so put that on the back burner. Alright, for now, to be productive, this thing has been sitting in storage since Thanksgiving. I am going to wipe down and sanitize every surface in this coach. Yeah, it's grimy in here. Alright, I'm just going to give you guys a brief tour and upcoming projects and stuff like that. Need blinds for this window right here. This is the shower. I need a shower door. And possibly raise that skylight, because that is about 2 feet off the ground. And I'm 6'2", so remember. Definitely fix this panel. I think it's rotten back there. It doesn't look too bad. Staple that back in. That's on my list. Fix this. Bathroom is pretty much fine. Yeah. I might want to upgrade the sink so it's a taller faucet. Definitely got to clean out the water heater. And then definitely get blinds for up here. And then install TV. My TV mount, I got one. I'm just waiting for the TV. And then stereo. That might be the last thing I do, so yeah. Grab a broom, sweep up, and should be decent enough for tomorrow. It's doable. Maybe I should vacuum. No, the cord's not going to reach out here. I think that's doable. Whatever. Alright. I am going to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I get on the road tomorrow morning, and tomorrow morning for me, next week for you. So, I gotta go edit this video. And, yeah. Wish me luck tomorrow, because I am going to need it. Oh, and by the way, it's supposed to snow tonight. And it's really windy, so who knows, I might be waiting this out. We shall see. Wish me luck tomorrow. Definitely going to take my time getting there. So, yeah. Alright guys, I love you. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.